Here's how to prevent hood deformation over time, as well as that issue where press the release front trunk button. You see it doesn't pop out all the way. Kind of have to reach in. It's also sticking. When you close it, you kind of have to, the reason that causes the deformation is you have to be really press it in. I did see it didn't latch the first time. So obviously this hood is ready, and we'll have to kind of live with it if we don't want to replace the hood. A little bit of a bend down. Another warning sign might be these marks, a little bit rusty, and because the metal's rubbing on itself, and that's why it's wearing down. Porsche recommended lubricant is white lithium grease. Got some grease down there. However, we can hear that. There's not good rubbing going on when we try to move it. It can be causing premature wear on this. And that could be a rusty spring in there as well.
We continue actuating the mechanism and working in all of the grease, using a flathead to move it. We then wipe down any excess grease.
And we will observe that that egregious rubbing sound is now absent because we found the metal that was rubbing. Still a bit of rubbing. Work it in. Short of replacing the most likely rusty springs in there due to neglect, I hear a bit of rubbing here. Also spray the right of it. At the end, there's a small crunch there, but it's already better. It's about 60 to 70% better, but unfortunately, due to the neglect, I think some of it's already not immaculate. With this more push down as well, you get the final lubrication in on this side. And now when you press this, and clicks right in. For reinstalling the trim, we simply maneuver this into position so that the latch, there's a bunch of Velcro here. So first we fit this part in, like so. Then before we insert the sides here, we insert this such that it locks in. Pop in the left side under the gasket, right side in. Pop that over onto the Velcro under the gasket. There's a bit of frail rubber, disintegrates with age, but you want to get it a little bit behind the corners here. What I presume is to prevent water intrusion if yours hasn't disintegrated from age. Might be a good idea to replace this.